This 2016 Forest River Sunseeker 2860DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 30 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, self-contained, microwave, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, slide-out, air conditioning, water heater, refrigerator, TV, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front kitchen, front living area, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2016 Forest River Sunseeker 2860DS is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.